Hello guys, welcome to Techno Expert. Kindly subscribe, share, like my channel. So today I will teach you AutoCAD. In the last video of the AutoCAD, which was the part 1, I taught you about the basic functions of the AutoCAD, its purpose and different options available in the AutoCAD. So in the last video I taught you how to draw a line, a circle depending on its radius, and how to take dimensions. Today I will teach you something new: how to copy, how to rotate, and how to delete in the AutoCAD. Okay, so today, so first of all, I will teach you how to copy. Now for example, this is this is a circle. If you want to copy and make a duplicate of it, so how can you do it? Now for example, you can either select and then click this button, and you will see that this is a duplicate circle. What I did was, first I select the circle, then I click this option, then I click the option which is about copy, and then I drag it. Now you can also use a copy function command, which is you select it, then you write type CO, which is copy spacebar. Whenever you type any command, after typing the command you need to press spacebar or you need to use this mouse. Okay, now I have selected it. Now this, as you can see that I click here, then I press escape button. Now this is how you copy anything in the AutoCAD. So the next topic is of today is about how you can delete. If you want to delete anything, you can select it, then press the delete button in the keyboard. Okay, or what you can do is that you either again you select the what you want to delete, type DEL, and you can see that this is delete, and I press click it, and now it is deleted. Okay, so now I have already taught you right now how to copy and how to delete. Now the last thing it is meaning for today is how to rotate. So now for example I will draw for example I'm drawing this shape, pressing escape. Now I want to rotate it. Now you must be thinking that why didn't I use circle to rotate? Even if I use a circle, is actually has same side, so even if I rotate it, you won't see the difference. That is why I make a new unique shape for this. You first select it, okay, and then you type RO. RO is for the rotate. Now you can press the spacebar or you can use mouse to click on it. I'm using mouse. And then from which point you want to rotate, which reference point, you can say that I'm using this as a reference point. And this, as you can see, that it's rotating. In this matter you can in this way you can rotate any symbol. So I can also add another topic, which is how to type in AutoCAD. If you want to write in any text in the AutoCAD, you can select this option, which is A. Select this area, and now I'm writing, for example, DEL, delete. After typing it, you can select it, and you can even change its font style from here. Different font styles. Okay. You can even change the color. I'm using the red color, and you can even change the size, the font size. Now for example, I'm using font size 20. First you need to select, then you change the right font size, and then you press enter. After I and press enter, now I can click anywhere on the side area. Look. And yes, one more thing, if you want to move anything in AutoCAD, you can select that symbol or anything, then use M command, move command, click, move. Today I've taught you multiple things: the copy, rotate, delete, type, and how to write add text in AutoCAD. I hope you like it, enjoy it. Thank you so much. Please